In the fall of 2022, my husband and I flew out to Washington to pack a car full of my grandma's heirlooms and drive it back to our home in Virginia. Along the way, we stopped at some famous American landmarks. On day 3 of our cross-continental trip, we ate a breakfast of gourmet Cheerios that we'd bought at the local grocery store on the reservation, and then headed out for a hike to Avalanche Lake, which, if you can't guess by the name, is an alpine lake, meaning it's high in the mountains. Luckily, we did not see any grizzlies, although there were many signs for them. Don't want to see any of those. Already seen too many in Alaska when I was kayaking. We ate burgers to go at the only restaurant right outside Glacier National Park, where we, of course, were charged $50 for 2 burgers and a huckleberry milkshake. No fries, no sides, no drinks. Over $20 for just a burger and a forced tip for a to-go box. By the way, these burgers were the frozen Costco patty variety, and they were pretty gross. They were like melting. This place was also charging $45 for a huckleberry pie. Afterward, we retired to our room and watched The Revenant. The Revenant is set in Montana and South Dakota and features Leonardo DiCaprio getting mauled by a grizzly bear, fittingly. I just thought this was the perfect setting to watch such a film. Follow me for more outdoor adventures. Thanks for watching.